Hey, welcome back to Biz Talk TV. I'm your host and business guide, Michael Rager. Next, we have up Kristin Gunderson. Kristin's going to talk about an important subject. What softwares are available for small business owners besides QuickBooks to actually go ahead and run your business? Take it away, Kristin.
Hey, thank you so much for having me on the Biz Talk Show today. Again, I am Kristin Gunderson with Gunderson's Bookkeeping, and I'm here to get all of your bookkeeping and tax questions answered. So today's question that came in is, what accounting softwares are out there besides QuickBooks Desktop? So I have 7 accounting softwares today that I'm going to talk to you a little bit about. And the number one thing that I want you to look for is, in the old days, like there used to be QuickBooks Desktop. It's an accounting software. You download it onto your computer and you would be able to work on that one computer to get your bookkeeping done. What I want you to focus on and look for in an accounting software today is get a cloud-based accounting software. This is pretty much crucial these days. So a cloud-based accounting software, as long as you have the internet, you are going to be able to log in and be able to access your accounting, your books from anywhere that you have an internet connection. So this could be from your cell phone, it could be from your tablet, it could be from your laptop at home, or it could be from the desktop at the office, but you are not limited to just working at the office. Like, it's really great, like if you're homesick for a day or want to take a day off and just get caught up on your bookkeeping, you can work from anywhere. So make sure that's a cloud-based accounting software. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about today is called Margin Edge. This is really great for restaurant owners. So if you have a mid-sized to a large restaurant, you really might want to consider looking at Margin Edge. It is going to, any of the point of sale platforms that you might be using in the company already, like it is going to integrate with that. So it'll be seamless interaction. You are also going to be able to run reports on what food you've been using. Are you having any leftover food, or is food going to waste? You are going to be able to see what food you need to reorder. So it's really great for restaurants. So if you're a restaurant, like that might be one that you want to look into. The cost is $300 per month per location. So that might be a break-in deal for you, but it might be worth it. The con is that it does not have payroll. And if you're not in the restaurant industry, you do not want to look at this for your business. So the second option I have for you today is called Zoho Books. If you are already a Zoho app user, this would be the accounting software for you to look into and to get acquainted with. The best thing is that if your business, if you have a small business and it's making less than $50,000 a year, it's going to be free for you. So that is really great to get your hands wet, get into getting your books done on a real-time basis. And it provides you with everything that you need, all the basics, your bank feeds, invoicing. You can have a payment processor connected to it, like that makes it really great. Like, you don't have to get a third-party payment processor to try to connect it. It's all in one. You'll be able to track your mileage, which is also a huge plus. Mileage is great, but you need to be keeping track of it. Like for the last half of 2022, it's 62.5 cents per mile that you drive that you get to write off. So make sure that you're keeping track of your mileage, and this one's included with it. You'll be able to reconcile your accounts, track your expenses. One of the cons with this is payroll's extra. But you know what, guys? Payroll's extra with like any accounting platform out there. This is really great for consultants, like if you are in a landscaping business or a plumber, like this would be Zoho. Give Zoho a shot, like look into them. Okay, the third one that I want to talk to you about today is called FreshBooks. So FreshBooks is good if you are looking for an accounting software that is easy to use. Like, you do not need to be an accountant or have accounting experience to be able to use this. It is also great for consultants. If you have a photography business or any other consulting business, like this might be a really good option for you. So it is good for service-based businesses. It will get you all the basics that you need, invoicing, being able to track your expenses, bank connections. You'll be able to view all your reports. And if you are 5 clients or less, I kind of hope that you have more than 5 clients, but if you're just getting going, if you have 5 clients or less, you can get on the light plan. It's only $15 a month. And once you grow and get busier and get more clients, if you're up to 50 clients a month, the next plan up is $30 a month. So that might be a real good option for you. Again, the $30 plan, it gives you a lot of extra benefits, like you'll be able to invite your accountant, you'll have double-sided accounting entries, you'll be able to track your mileage, it has a mobile, which is really great. Some of the cons is, if you are looking for an accounting software that can have document management, like you're able to snap with your phone the receipt or be able to scan it and want it attached into your accounting software to the receipts, like it does not have that. That is a really nice feature to have in case you get audited, like you don't need to keep all these receipts anymore. And training is also not offered with FreshBooks, and payroll, of course, is an add-on, but it might be a really great option for you, especially if you have 5 clients or less. That's a really affordable price to get you going. Okay, the fourth one I want to talk about is Xero. And Xero is spelled X-E-R-O. We do use Xero a little bit with our clients, and it is really great if you're looking for accounting platform that has a lot of add-on features, especially if you are into accounting and want to be able to look at percentages and probabilities, like all that stuff, like you can be able to get with that with Xero. And of course, you're going to be able to do all the stuff that everyone else, keeping track of your invoices, keeping track of your expenses, the bank reconciliations. That's like pretty standard across the board. And as your small business grows, you can add on, like you can get Xero for $13 a month for the basics. But as your business grows and you need more of those add-on integrations, you can get that added on, and it goes up to, I believe, $37 a month. And that includes, like, you have unlimited invoicing, unlimited bills, quotes. It's a pretty good option. If you are looking for a accountant software that you need to have multi-currency, Xero is your choice to go to. It does go up to $70 a month, but if you are working with multi-currency, like, you may need this. And you can also get payroll added on. Again, the con is that it's another $40 a month if you want to get payroll added onto it, but it does allow you to do that all in one system. So that might be a really great option for you, for those who are slightly familiar with accounting and need those added integrations and add-ons and payroll. Like, Xero is a choice for you. All right, the 5th accounting software I want to talk to you about today is actually my favorite. It's best for freelancers, and it's called QBO, QuickBooks Online. We use it for probably 95% of our clients. The ones who aren't on Xero are on QuickBooks Online. And they have different pricing structures based off of what you need. And it gives you everything that you, like anything that you could need, like it's going to have. So the bank feeds, the invoicing, the quotes, the 1099 management. It has the online document storage, like literally you can snap the pictures with your QuickBooks Online app and it gets uploaded and it's attached to the receipts. It has mileage tracking. You can run the reports, like if you have different segments of your business, you can run it by class, you can run it by location. Like, QuickBooks Online is my favorite. Payroll is added on. It is an add-on fee, so if you need it, obviously it's there. If you need to be able to track your sales and use tax, this is another really great one that you can track it and go ahead and pay it. You can see exactly how much you owe. You can run your reports. One of the cons is that when you first get started, it has a really great intro pricing for 3 months, and then it doubles after that. So if you're a little bit worried about pricing, like just know that after 3 months, the price is going to double for you. And another con is that it's very easy to duplicate accounting transactions in it. Like you could have a bill in, and then through bank feeds, like an expense comes in and it's in there twice then. So that is a big con. We see that a lot. People who are trying to do their QuickBooks on their own and they just don't know what they're doing, like that is something that we have to correct for them. However, if you do need help with that, we do have a QuickBooks Online course. Like we want small business owners to be able to, if they can't afford to outsource their bookkeeping, we want them to be able to know how to do their bookkeeping and do it correctly. We're tired of people bringing in boxes. Like real-time accounting is so important. Like we want you to know how to do it correctly. So if you want to learn how to do it, we have the QuickBooks Online course for you. And then if you want, like you need a little bit more hand-holding, like we have 6 weeks of coaching to go with that course. So you can come in and ask us like all the questions that you have weekly. We're there for an hour for you. So if that's an option for you, like just know it's out there. One other con is that if you have an e-commerce business, QuickBooks Online, like that is not an option. There might be an app that you can connect it to, but there's better options out there for e-commerce. Okay, the sixth option that I have for you is Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This is really great if you're a micro business, you're just getting going, and you need some of the integrations to go with it. Like it's still affordable. It's $10 a month to get you going. And again, it has everything that you need. It has the invoicing, you can do the bank reconciliations, you can track what people owe you. One of the cons is that it may be too entry level for you if you have an established business already. Payroll's not included, and then they do have limited phone support with Sage Business Cloud Accounting, so just for you know. But if you're just getting going, this might be a really good option for you to make sure that you have your numbers and you can do it in real-time accounting. All right, the last option I have for you, number 7, is Oracle NetSuite. And this is if you have an established business already and you are looking for as much automation with accounting tasks as you can get, but then you also need to have a lot of compliance, like financial compliance with GAAP accounting or ASC 606 or SOX. Like this would be the accounting software for you to use. The cons with this is that it is a steep learning curve. And the pricing, like it's just not transparent. You're gonna need to call and talk to one of their people and get have a demo done and talk to them about what you need. And then they'll be able to get the pricing for you with that. All right, so I just went over 7 really great options that are cloud-based accounting softwares for you to use. Pick which one, or several that you want to look into and start getting your accounting done, or have your accountant do that for you. And again, if you do need help with Xero or QuickBooks Online, like we are here for you. The other ones we don't really use. I just wanted to have some options for you to look into. And we do have that QuickBooks Online class if you need it, or QuickBooks Online coaching. Like we offer those 6 weeks of coaching to go with the class. I hope that helps you out today. If you need any help, feel free to text the word HELP to 855-798-3350. If you want to know specifically about the QuickBooks class, you can text QBO 101 to that same number, 855-798-3350. And again, we're here to help. You can find us on social media. We are on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram at Gunderson's Bookkeeping. Thank you so much for having me on today.
Thanks, Kristin.